Hello Gucci's team and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with us a very delicious way to make your peppered stockfish. A sumptuous way, a yummilicious way that you are going to enjoy your stockfish for this Christmas, for any event, and still use it for your soup recipes, especially your native soup. Come on guys, let's do this. Go ahead, wash your stockfish very well. Wash it very well like this. Add just seasoning cube. Do not add salt because this has a lot of salt. Remember, it was preserved with a lot of salt. Don't add salt at this point. You can choose to add seasoning cube, yeah, but not salt. Okay, so let's add some Maggi. So go ahead, add Maggi into the stockfish and allow it to cook. That is all you need here. Cover it up and allow it to cook. It's going to take about 1 hour. If you have pressure cooker, that's fine. I have pressure cooker, but for some reason I like to do my things just on the stove. Stockfish is nicely cooked. Just make sure you cook your stockfish until it is very soft. Here in this house we eat very soft stockfish. Any protein in this house has to be very soft. So for your party, for any occasion, make sure you have soft meat. Make sure you have soft protein. Don't give people very hard protein. Now we are going to go ahead and make the stew. For the stew, we are using tomatoes, a lot of tomatoes. Yes, and we are using tatashe, we are using garlic, we are using scotch bonnet, we are using red onion, we are using yellow onion. The reason why you want to use garlic is because this is stockfish. Sometimes I might want to use it for onugu soup or ora soup. You can use it for soup afterwards, so I choose to go in with garlic. You can choose to go in with ginger, but for this very stockfish recipe, I'm going in with garlic. I'm going to clean this up and blend. We don't have time. And I'm doing the cooking method for this. We have crushed this. You can choose to blend it crush or very smooth. We're going to add this to the pot. I'm doing the cooking method, guys. I told you. So add the blended stuff to the pot. My pepper blends are in between crush and smooth. This is my preference. Everything is going to soak in and it's going to give us a very fantastic. At this point, you can go in with your oil. My peppers have been cooking for about 5 minutes to 7 minutes, so you can just go ahead and add your oil and allow it to cook together. We are not wasting time, guys. Be gentle with your palm oil. I hate when it's splashing, guys. Like, I do not like that part. I do not like that part. So let's give it like 5 minutes more. Voila. See, it's cooking. It's almost ready. So you want to go in and introduce your stockfish. This will introduce a lot of deliciousness into your stockfish. So this is our stockfish. Go in and introduce it. This is how you can make your peppered fish, your peppered chicken, your peppered cow feet. Look at that. Always try and make sure your proteins are very tender. We like very soft protein. So I cooked this very nice. Some of them are even breaking in the pot. But anyways, we'll go ahead and do it. If you're an Igbo man or Igbo woman watching me from wherever you're watching me from, please leave your comment in the comment section if you know how important stockfish agwarago can be in any wonderful occasions like wedding events, like traditional marriage, like chieftaincy titles, all those traditional events where you can always see beautiful recipes like this peppered stockfish. Drop your comment in that comment section, and it's an expensive meal to make in our Igbo occasions, right? In that sauce, Look at that. I like when my food is very yummy. Wives, just go ahead and give your husband a beautiful treat this Christmas. Give your family members this wonderful treat and they will love you for it. Just tell your husband how much you love him. Look at that goodness. Ooh, this is so yummy. This is very simple and quick to make, guys. Just make a delicious peppered sauce and dip that stockfish into it and you will enjoy yourself. It doesn't need too much seasoning, that seasoning or this seasoning. When we were boiling this, we added Maggi. Remember that? Stockfish has its own salt and you don't want to over salt it, okay? So you can also use it for soup if you have leftovers. So this is it for the stockfish recipe. It is fish all the way. Look at that goodness. Go in with a little pinch of Maggi. I'm going to go in with all of this. So go in with your Christmas. This is Christmas. Look at that beauty. Look at that, amazing. Look at that. This is our stockfish recipe. Make this for this Christmas season. Your guests will really enjoy it. This is beautiful. This same sauce can be used for your cow feet recipe because they are all in the same family. This is it, guys. Our stockfish recipe is ready. If you have watched till this moment, I want to say a very huge thank you. I love you all so much. I'm not taking your love for granted. May you have a memorable Christmas, a blessed Christmas. Your new year is going to be fantabulous. Thank you all so much. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God love the merciful heart. Please try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section. Thank you all so very much. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already and give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends and loved ones.